Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to start by opening Clock app. Now tap on Alarm section at the top on the left if it's not already on. Then, to create your alarm, tap on this plus icon. Now set up an hour. Then you can click on Repeat and set up the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you wish to choose custom, click on it and select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. To save them, click on OK. Then select ringtone and tap on Choose local ringtone to pick music from your smartphone or pre-installed one. Now click on Apply next to the best alarm for you and save it by choosing OK in the pop-up. You can also add song from your smartphone from here by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, tapping on one of those sources, choosing Allow in the pop-up and clicking on the song that you wish to apply. Then you need to save it by choosing OK at the top right corner. When you're ready, click on the back button and tap on Label. Finally, you can label your alarm however you wish to. If you wish to, click on OK. Manage vibrations thanks to this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds. And save it by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. Then turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray one. If you want to edit your alarm, click on it, tap on Additional Settings and make your changes. You can discard them by tapping on the top left corner or save them by tapping on top left one. If you wish to get rid of your alarm though, you need to hold it, choose Delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!